Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on Linux command. Today we are diving into very powerful and often underused command which is stat. If you are managing a Linux system or developing a software, understanding a file attributes is a crucial and um, stat commands makes this incredible easy. In this video, I will explain the stat command, its option and real world use case to make your Linux journey smoother. Let's get started. The stat command is used to display a detailed information about a file or a directory. It provides more insights than the regular ls-l command. With stat command, you can check things like last access time, file size, and even the inode number. Let me show you the example. Here you can see if I run stat for this script, here you can see the file, the size, device, inode number, and when it was accessed, when it was modified, when it was changed, all the details you will get. In this output, the file name and the size, when it was last accessed, modified and changed, the inode number and the file type. Let's explore how you can use stat in real world scenario. I will create a file example.txt. If you check stat example.txt, you will get all the details. Let's explore the key options and real life use case. Let's look at some commonly used option in stat and how they can help you. First option is hyphen hyphen format or hyphen C to customize the output. As a system administrator, you might want a quick summary of file attributes for automation script. Instead of full output, use the option known as hyphen hyphen format option to display a specific details. Let's see an example. I will use format command. This is %n space %s space and the year, and give the file name. Here it will show, earlier it was showing detailed information. Now it will show this command outputs the file name, size in bytes, and the last modification time, perfect for parsing a logs or generating a reports. Let us see the next option, hyphen hyphen printf, which is used for formatting the output. Let's say you are analyzing multiple files and need data in a tabular format. Use the option hyphen hyphen printf for more control. I will use stat hyphen hyphen printf equals to, I will give a file %n slash size %s space bytes, and I want last modified details, and hyphen y space give example. So here it gives a clean formatted output. You can even loop through files for bulk processing. Checking symbolic links. Developer often deals with symbolic links to get details about the target file. Use the hyphen L option, hyphen capital L option. So example.txt, This will with this you will see the stat for the actual target file, not the symbolic itself. This is super useful for debugging the broken links. Let me see if I have any links created here. So the simply you need to run stat space hyphen l space symbolic link dot txt. Here I don't have any links created, so the syntax will be the same. Just you need to give a file name in front of hyphen l, capital hyphen l. Let's see the another use case, like using a stat for monitoring access patterns. Like have you ever wondered when a file was last accessed? As a system admin, this is useful for identifying stale files. Stat format last accessed. I will use %x and provide the file name. This helps in cleaning up unused files or analyzing file usage. Next option is -f for monitoring a file system with stat command. If you need details about the file system where a file resides, use -f as an option. This displays the information about the file system, such as a block size and total freeze blocks, and it handy for monitoring disk usage and optimizing storage. For advanced usage tips, combine stat with a shell script to automate reports for multiple files or directories. Use stat to verify inode numbers before creating a hard link. If you are debugging file changes in CI/CD pipeline, or stats can show you exact modification times, helping you identify inconsistencies. So that's it for this video. The stat command is a powerhouse for Linux user, providing deep insights into files and directories. Whether you are scripting, debugging, or optimizing your system, it's an essential tool to work as a system administrator on a Linux platform. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.